crumbling Victorian structure looms under a grey sky, its windows dark and shattered. The air is thick with damp and the faint hum of forgotten stories. The entrance hall is vast, with peeling wallpaper and a cracked mosaic floor. A rusted wheelchair sits in the corner, draped in cobwebs. This place is unreal. You can almost feel the history. Built in 1902, housed thousands of patients. They say sun never left. Ghosts of budget cuts and bad medicine. This place gives me the creeps. Come on, where's your sense of adventure? They shut this place down years ago. The locals swear they hear screams at night. That right? Probably just the building settling. All places do that. A faint, unexplainable hum echoes from deeper within. A light catches glimpses of faded graffiti and water-stained walls. The hum grows louder, almost rhythmic, like a heartbeat. The corridor is lined with rusted doors, some ajar. One signed electrotherapy room. Inside, a dusty treatment chair sits beside cracked dials and wires. The air feels heavy. used to shock patients here, thought it'd fix their minds. Can you imagine being strapped in